ሃይ ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬም የማትሪክ ዩኒቨርሲቲ ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛም ማትስ ጥያቄዎችን ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። እንደሚከተለው አቀርባለሁ። ስለዚህ ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ፣ ሼር እና ላይክ ማድረጋችሁን እንዳትረሱ። አመሰግናለሁ። Let us start our question. That means which one of the following is quantitative data? ኳንቲቴቲቭ ዳታ ማለት ዳታን ለምሳሌ ኳሊቴቲቭ እና ኳንቲቴቲቭ ብለን ልንገልጸው እንችላለን። ኳንቲቴቲቭ ማለት ኒውሜሪካል ኤክስፕሬሽን ነው ወይም ደግሞ ኒውሜሪካል ኤክስፕረስ የምናደርገውን ነገር ወይም ዳታ እንላለን። this is what quantitative እንለዋለን። this is numeric expression, numerical expression of what our data. ነገር ግን ኳሊቴቲቭ ስንል characteristics or quality of the material or the data የምናወራ ከሆነ we call that is qualitative እንለዋለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ if we consider from the given choice that measuring the height of what each students in the given class ይላል። ስለዚህ ክፍል ውስጥ ያሉ ተማሪዎችን እያንዳንዱ ተማሪ height measure ማድረግ ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ 1.72 ሜትር ልንል እንችላለን። this is numeric. Or you may express this one is what 172 centimeter express ልናደርግ እንችላለን። in centimeter, in meter, inch and so on express ልናደርግ እንችላለን። For instance, here is 1.8 meter. For instance, this may be what 180 what centimeter ልንል እንችላለን. This is what numeric value again. For instance, if we take this is 1.5 meter, may say this one is what 150 centimeter. All these are numeric values. If that's so, this indicates that this is what quantitative data. When come to identify the social status of what individual, social status of individual maybe ሊሆን ይችላል፣ low ሊሆን ይችላል፣ middle ሊሆን ይችላል፣ high status ልንል እንችላለን። ስለዚህ ዝቅተኛ፣ መካከለኛና ከፍተኛ ነዋሪ ወይም ደግሞ ስታተስ ያላቸው ብለን ስንከፍል ምንድነው ኑሜሪካሊ ኤክስፕረስ ልናደርግ አንችልም ማለት ነው። ዝቅተኛ መካከለኛና ከፍተኛ ብለን ስንገልጽ ምን ማለት ነው? it is what social statusን ይገልጻል። ነገር ግን it is not numerical expression አይደለም። determine the taste of food ሊሆን ይችላል። food ለምሳሌ it is sweet ልንል እንችላለን፣ ጣፋጭ ነው ልንል እንችላለን፣ bitter ነው ልንል እንችላለን፣ salty ነው ልንል እንችላለን። if that's so ይሄ ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? በኑሜሪካል ኤክስፕረስ ማድረግ አንችልም ማለት ነው። the food in the restaurant if that's so this is not quantitative አይሆንም ማለት ነው። The other one is what hacking the quality of what new product quality ከሆነ ምን ሊሆን ይችላል? it is good quality ያለው ልንል እንችላለን፣ ወይም ደግሞ poor ነው ልንል እንችላለን። somewhat it is good ልንል እንችላለን። if that's so this indicates that this is not a numerical expression ሊሆን አይችልም። so from the given choice that means A is the correct answer. ለምን እያንዳንዱን ተማሪ height measure ስናደርግ numerical value ወይም ደግሞ numerical expression appear ያደርጋል with what measuring unit ከዩኒቲ ጋር አብሮ ማለት። ስለዚህ numerical expression ካለ we call that is quantitative እንላለን ማለት። qualitative ስንል ግን characteristicsን ወይም ደግሞ the quality of the data ነው indicate የምናደርገው like social status, taste of food, quality of new product or product እነዚህ የመሳሰሉት qualitative data ሲያሳዩ የመጀመሪያው ግን ምን ይሆናል ማለት it is quantitative ይሆናል ማለት። A company produces shirts and black shirt as well as white shirts from polyester and cotton. ከኮተን እና ከፖሊስተር ምን ይሰራሉ ማለት ነው? shirts ይሰራሉ። እነዚህ ምንድናቸው? black and white. The company has 6,000 units of polyester as well as 3,000 units of what cotton in its store. በስቶር ውስጥ ምን አለው ማለት ነው? 6,000 units of polyester እና 3,000 units of cotton አለ ማለት። This is what the maximum possible availability material in its store ማለት ነው። A black shirt ያለው እንግዲህ ያለው ማቴሪያል ስንት ነው? 6,000 ዩኒት እና 3,000 ዩኒት polyester as well as cotton respectively ማለት ነው ስቶር ውስጥ። A black shirt requires what 5 units polyester as well as 4 units cotton ይፈልጋል ማለት ነው። Whereas a white shirt requires what this is 3 units of polyester as well as 3 units of what cotton equal unit ይፈልጋል ማለት። If the factory gets a profit of what ብር እንግዲህ ካምፓኒው 120 ብር ትርፍ ከእያንዳንዱ black shirt ያገኛል as well as ብር 200 from what each white shirt ያገኛል። What is the maximum profit of the company ነው የሚለው። ይሄ ማለት ነው this is linear programming problem ነው ማለት። this is linear programming problem. How can I solve this one? Let's try to identify what the numbers for each. Let it be this is x B what? Number of what? Black shirts. Let's say ሁለት ማቴሪያሎች ወይም ሸርት ስለሆነ የሚያመርተው black እና white ስለሆነ let's say this one is what? Black. Let it be Y B what? Number of what? B number of what? White shirts. ስለዚህ the number of the profit is what? Depending on this shirts ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ እያንዳንዱ x unit of black shirt ካመረተ ከአንዱ 120 ካገኘ x ከሆነ ምን ሆነ 100 times x ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Similarly ከእያንዳንዱ ነጭ ቲሸርት ዋናው ሸርትስ ምን ያገኛሉ 200 ብር ካገኘ y ከሆነ ምን ይሆናል ማለት y times 200 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። So from this the product that means x black shirt as well as y. This is white shirts. Then the materials here we have that is polyester. Here is polyester. The other one is what? Cotton. Here we have. So the material for each black needs what? This is 5 units of what? Units of what? Polyester as well as what? 4 units of what? Cotton ይፈልጋል ማለት ነው። Each unit of what? This that means the white shirt needs what? 3 units polyester as well as what? 3 units of what? Cotton ይፈልጋል ማለት ነው። But the availability, that means availability of this material, polyester is what? That means 6,000 units ነው ያለው ማለት ነው in the store. በስቶር ውስጥ 6000 ዩኒት ነው ያለው። ኮተን ጋር ስንመጣ it is what 3000 ዩኒት ነው ማለት ነው። ሳይዝ ይሄ ይሆናል። Is that so? The profit here we have profit for each black ስንት ነው ብለናል? That means ብር 120 ነው። For each white is what? That is ብር 200 ነው ማለት። So we can express as linear programming ፕሮግራማችን ይሆናል maximize ይሆንና this is what? Z is equal to 120x cotton plus what? This is 200y subject to the constraint here we have that this is subject to this is 5x plus what? 3 times y yandandu unit y2 3 times of this is what? Less than or equals 6,000. Similarly this is 4x in case of 4x plus what? This is 3y must be less than or equals what? 3,000. And the quantity, that means the white and black shirt must be what? Greater or equal 0. The company may produce or may not produce. May not produce means what? The quantity becomes 0. Produce ካደረገ ግን positive ይሆናል ማለት። After that we have to sketch the graph of this one using this xy plane by taking what? The x and y intercept of what? Your inequalities. Making the inequality into what? Equal sign. ስለዚህ ይሄን ወደ equal sign እንቀይረዋለን ማለት። That means what? Here is 5x plus here is 3y is equal to what? Equal to 6,000. Similar for the second case, this is 4x plus here is 3y is equal to what? That is 3,000 and x and y greater than or equal 0. Greater than or equal 0. Is that so? When you consider the first one, when we'll try to find the y-intercept, x is 0. Is that so? X 0 means what? What the value of y? The value of y is that is 2,000. Similarly, when y is 0, the value of x is what? Once 6,000 divided by 5 is what? There is 1,200. So by joining these intercepts, we can sketch the graph of this inequality. Here we have. So in this region, this line divides what? The xy plane on this region as well as what? On this region. So we'll try to check by taking what? 0, 0 is what? Simple for calculation. By substituting 0, 0 where this region less than or equal region lies. የት ነው ላይ የሚያደርገው ነው ደግሞ የትኛው ሪጅን ያካትታል የሚለው ለምን ቴስት ለማድረግ 0 0ን ቴስት ማድረግ ይችላል 0 times 5 0 ይሆናል plus 3 times 0 that is 0 ነው 0 is less than or equal 6,000 ስለሆነ yes the region is what in this region ይሆናል ማለት ይሄን ሪጅን ያካትታል ማለት this is the region ይሆናል Similarly, when you consider the second one, ሁለተኛው inequality test ስናደርግ equal አድርገናል. That means the y-intercept is what? X 0, it becomes what? 1,000 ይሆናል. This is 1. When y is 0, the value of x is what? 3,000 divided by 4 is what? That is 750. Yes, here is 750. Now, by joining this x and y-intercept, we can sketch what? The graph of this line. ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ስንመጣ what value here we have? That means which region it satisfies የትኛውን region ያካትታል የሚለውን test 0 0 again 0 0 is on this region here we have the other one is what on this region test by taking any number or any point from these two regions let's consider 0 0 is easy for calculation that means 4 times 0 0 plus 3 times 0 0 0 is less than or equal 3,000 yes it is correct so the region consists of this region if that's so The next one that we consider is that x greater or equal 0 ማለት ነው. This is what the region it consists what at the right side of this one. ይሄኛውን ያካትታል ማለት right side of this y-axis means what first and third quadrant second first and fourth quadrant ያካትታል ማለት. This is the region x greater or equal 0. y greater or equal 0 means what above x-axis ይሄንን ያካትታል ማለት. So here is the region. Finally, which one is common for all the cases that we have? ለሁሉም የጋራ የሚሆነው የትኛው ነው? This is the region. Yes, ሁሉንም satisfy የሚያደርገው ምን ማለት? This is what the triangular region here we have. This is the region. Here is the corner point, here is the corner point. So let's try to remove the others. So the corner point here is what? This is, let's say this is A triangle, this one is B, let's say B becomes what? Triangular figure. That means what? The feasible region. Let's say this one is C. As God of the scenario, we are familiar that the maximum and minimum values appear what? At the corner point ነው ብለናል. Corner point ከሆነ የA corner this is corner points እንወስዳለን. So check the value of that. This Z value, the maximum value that you want, Z. The corner point for A is what? A consists what? The value of x that is 0. The value of y is what? That is 1000. Similar for the case of B, it is what? At the origin 0, 0. Similar the third, that means C, it consists what? 750 and what? That is 0 here one. Then by inserting these values into the objective functionation ምንድነው? maximize ማድረግ ስለሆነ እነዚህ values እዚህ ጋር በመተካት we can find what? The values. After obtaining the values, which one gives maximum value? የትኛው maximum value ይሰጣል የሚለውን compare and contrast እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ 0 እና 1000 ስንተካ 0 ይሆናል ይሄኛው 200 times 1000 is what? This is what? 200,000 ይሆናል ማለት this one ብር 0 ስንተካ it becomes what? 0. That one is what? 750 times 120 0 times 200 that is 0 ስለሚሆን let's multiply this is 750 times what? That is 120. ስለዚህ 2 times 5 that is 0 0 that is 10 0 and 1 2 times 7 is what? 14. Here we have what? 1 times 5 that is 5 1 times 7 that is 7. Here we have we add what? 2 zeros 0 0 here we have 0 5 plus 5 that is 10 here we have 0 and 1 1 plus 7 that is 8 we have 1 that is what? 9. It becomes what? 90,000. So when we compare and contrast this three values, which one is maximum? The maximum value is what? This is 200,000. Since it is profit, the company want to maximize its profit, so the maximum value is what? 200,000 ብር. ስለዚህ ፕሮፊቱ መሆን የሚችለው 200,000 ብር ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ነገር ግን ይሄ ማክሲመም መሆን የሚችለው no need of what? Producing what? Black shirts. ብላክ ሸርትን አያመርትም ነገር ግን ዋይት ሸርትን ብቻ በማምረት 200,000 ብር ትርፍ ያገኛል ማለት the company produces what? White shirt but neglect what? The product of what? Black shirts. neglect በማድረግ ወይም ባለማምረት it has what? The company has a maximum profit 200,000 ብር ይሆናል ማለት ነው. From the given choice, which one is the correct answer? The correct answer for this problem is what? That is choice D is the correct. ስለዚህ መጀመሪያ የተሰጠንን ይሄን real world problem ወይም ደግሞ this word problem you will try to transfer what? Mathematical problem change ማድረግ አለብን model ማድረግ አለብን. After mathematical expression it is easy to find what? The solution of that mathematical equation ወይም inequality የሰራነውን mathematical inequality solve ማድረግ ግን ቀላል ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ነገር ግን ይሄንን word problem ደግሞ ወይም ደግሞ real world problem የሆነውን directly በማየት ብቻ solve ማድረግ አንችልም። ስለዚህ ምን ማድረግ አለብን ማለት ነው? ይሄንን linear programming problem will try to change into what? Mathematical inequalities ወይም ደግሞ mathematical equation form express ማድረግ አለብን። ከዛ በኋላ it is easy to identify the solution for this problem.